There are numerous side hustle opportunities available, but let's focus on these popular and profitable options. Remember, finding the right fit for you is key to success. So, let's explore each one together. Number 1. Flipping items. Flipping items involves buying products at a low price and selling them for a profit. You can start by scouring thrift stores, yard sales, and online marketplaces for undervalued items. Clean them up, make necessary repairs, and sell them at a higher price through platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Number 2. YouTube videos. If you have a passion or expertise that you love sharing, consider starting a YouTube channel. Create engaging content that provides value to viewers. As your channel grows, you can monetize it through advertisements, sponsored content, or even selling merchandise. Number 3. Freelancing a skill. Freelancing allows you to leverage your existing skills and offer services to clients worldwide. Determine your expertise, whether it's graphic design, writing, programming, or social media management. Create a portfolio, join freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, and start bidding on relevant projects. Number 4. Etsy shop. If you're a crafty individual or enjoy creating unique products, opening an Etsy shop could be a great option. From handmade jewelry and customized clothing to home decor and digital downloads, there's a market for various goods. Take high-quality product photos, write detailed descriptions, and focus on providing excellent customer service. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Join affiliate programs offered by companies within your niche, create valuable content around those products, and share your affiliate links through your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Number 6. Tutoring. If you possess strong academic knowledge or expertise in a particular subject, tutoring can be a profitable side hustle. Offer one-on-one or group tutoring sessions in person or online. Advertise your services through local schools, online tutoring platforms, or create your own website. Number 7. Selling clothes. With the rise of sustainable fashion and online thrift stores, selling clothes can be both profitable and environmentally friendly. Sort through your wardrobe for gently used items or source inventory from thrift stores. Photograph and list them on platforms like Poshmark, Depop, or even create your own online store. Rental services. The sharing economy is thriving, making rental services a lucrative side hustle option. Identify items you own that are in demand but are not in use regularly, such as camping gear, party supplies, power tools, or even high-end camera equipment. List your items on rental platforms like Fat Llama, Rent Not Buy, or create your own website. Set competitive rates, ensure proper maintenance, and build a positive reputation through excellent customer experiences. Graphic designing. If you have a creative streak and a knack for design, graphic designing can be a profitable side hustle. Develop your skills using design software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. Build a portfolio showcasing your best work, including logos, social media graphics, or website designs. Advertise your services through social media platforms, freelancing websites, or even by networking with local businesses. Provide personalized and high-quality designs tailored to your clients' needs.